Special thanks to Justice James Omotosho and the Ministry of Justice for delivering judgment in the Nnamdi Kanu's case. It took bravery, and some of us are not entirely happy because of how it went, because we expected a hanging. In this case, definitely not firing squad. We expected him to be hanged, especially for nothing else, at least this couple. But be that as it may, we are all law-abiding citizens. We abide by the law of the land, and this is justice for Igbo, first and foremost. Communities like Osu Itoba, Osumo, Lilu, Iseke, Itenansa, Olu, the entire Osu LGA, Njaba, Mbitoli, Okigwe, Ubunka, and other places that I can't be able to mention right now. This is justice for all the people that have lost their loved ones, those that are still missing, those that they collected their money, ruined their lives, businesses that were lost. Finally, justice is here today. We thank Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for not interfering in this matter. And we also thank the law enforcement who've been keeping our city safe, and the judge once again for not keeping him around this Abuja in order not to be a security threat to the law-abiding citizens of Nigeria, especially those living in the FCT. At least this is one terrorist of the list. We will be going after them, and now we are calling on the foreign minister to please. Now it's time to go to work. This guy has been convicted. Every other person that gave him money, especially those in the USA, those in Germany, Italy, Spain, the United Kingdom, Canada, and a few other places, but mostly these places I just mentioned. And all these, they are bloggers. All of them, they need to be picked up, and our land will start the re-hearing. And to all those who lost their family members, take solace in the fact that justice has been done. The leader of the person of the group that are winning an Igbo has been sentenced to life imprisonment. Once again, we may not all be happy with life imprisonment. Many of us will have preferred the price sentence. You know what I mean? But what can we do? We can't question the law. Hopefully, the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court will uphold everything that was meticulously listed by the judge, and all the reasons he gave for arriving at his final decision of life imprisonment instead of what the prosecutor asked. Once again, we are happy, and all my friends who have been in this fight for 5 years, some 7 years, some 10 years, Choma Marilis, Rita Anubohobu, Ongunwanze, Ruby Matthew, George Onibe, whether I don't know what mother would think about it, but at least his input is needed here. And all the people, repentant IPOB, ESN members and sympathizers, we welcome you all, provided your repentance is genuine. And all those people that wasted human lives for nothing, I leave you to your conscience and the families of those you buy their own people. But justice will get to everybody. Thank you all.